For our Ag Weekly report, we take you to a virtual farm tour.
Emily Griffin tells us how a farm in Lisbon connected National Farm to School Month with Hispanic Heritage Month.
Hispanic Heritage Month runs from September 15th to October 15th, and we're in National Farm to School Month. The American Dairy Association Northeast joined these two efforts by hosting a virtual farm tour entirely in Spanish for students around the nation.
Le cogemos la comida y lo mezclamos todo, entre el maíz y alfalfa y el soy.
The participating farm was Twin Mill Farm in Lisbon. Farm host Carmen Gendabine said it's important to show young people where their food comes from. Doing this virtually extended the tour's reach to students and schools of all kinds. Bringing farms to classrooms has been an initiative of the American Dairy Association Northeast since 2018. This particular tour garnered an audience of nearly 1,000 viewers. If you want to watch the tour, you can find it on YouTube, or you can register for the next tour, December 11th at americandairy.com. Emily Griffin, 7 News.